Yeoooph, ayan ang ating SANS tribal cake. Yeoooph. Hey, Teban!
Yo!
Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Magandang araw mga kateban. Ngayon, gagawa naman tayo ng SANS tribal. French buttercream flavor lang. All we need is pwede na tayong gumawa ng ating French buttercream santribal. Yeoooph! Ayan, gawin na natin yung ating santribal. To start with, let's separate our eggs. Put the egg whites in a big bowl and a medium bowl yung egg yolks. Ayan, separate na ang ating egg yolk and egg whites. Set aside muna natin ang ating egg yolk. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Ayan, gawin na natin ang ating meringue. Let's beat the egg first for about 30 seconds sa low. After 30 seconds, let's add half teaspoon cream of tartar para mag-stabilize yung ating meringue. Kung wala kayong cream of tartar, okay lang din. Pero pwede kayong gumamit ng pinch of salt para lang mag-help to stabilize yung ating meringue. Yeoooph! So let's continue beating our egg. Now that our egg white is in soft peak, we can add our 2/3 cup sugar gradually. Gradually, continue beating until it becomes stiff peak. Yeoooph! Then we can now add our crushed cashew. 100 grams crushed cashew. I'm using salted cashew nuts kasi our meringue is a little sweet, and then the French buttercream icing is also sweet. So I'm using salted cashew nuts. Then let's just fold our cashew nuts sa ating meringue. Now that we've added our cashew nuts sa ating meringue, we have to divide this into two. Kasi we have two pans that I already prepared. Two pans, two same size pans. I already prepared it with baking sheet, baking paper. So let's put our meringue. Yeoooph! Ayan, ngayon okay na yung ating meringue. Naayos na natin sa pan. Look, lalagyan na natin siya sa oven for 160 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes. Medyo mag-e-expand siya, but pag naluto siya, mag-shrink uli siya. Yeoooph! Yeoooph! Ayan, while the meringue is in the oven, let's make our sugar syrup for our French buttercream icing. Now that our sugar and water starts to boil like this, so we'll start stirring it for exactly 4 minutes. Yeoooph! Timer tayo for 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes. Oh, yan. Tapos na yung timer natin for 4 minutes. Okay na siya. If the consistency is like this is good. Yup. Ayan, yup. Gawin na natin ang ating French buttercream. So, yung 7 egg yolks natin, yung 350 grams na softened butter, yung ating sugar syrup na ginawa kanina, at 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Yup. Unang gagawin natin is let's beat the egg yolk on high speed until na mag-pale yung color niya. Ayan, after about 2 minutes ng pagbit ng egg yolk, pale na yung color niya. Yup. Pwede nating i-add yung ating sugar syrup gradually. Well mixed na yung sugar syrup natin sa egg yolks, i-blender naman natin ang ating softened butter until it becomes a little fluffy before we add it to the egg yolk mixture. Ayan, medyo fluffy na yung ano natin, yung ating butter. So, pwede natin ilagay doon sa egg mixture. Yan, add na natin doon sa egg yolk mixture. Ating butter. We'll just mix this until na maging icing yung consistency ng ating French buttercream. Yup. Let's add our 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon. Normally, we put rum. Pero may mga batang kakain, so we don't put alcohol here. Instead of vanilla essence, we put rum. Yup. Ito na yung ating French buttercream icing. Pwede nating ilagay sa ating meringue. Yup. Pwede natin siyang lagyan ng ating icing. Nung nalagyan na natin ng icing yung isang meringue, set aside natin yung natira para mamaya sa ibabaw. Let's put cashew dito sa middle part. Now we'll put the other one on top. So to form a cake. And then let's put the rest of our icing all over it. Top and side. Top and side. Ayan. Okay na ang ating icing. So, pwede natin ilagay yung ating kasuy. But before we put our cashew, design muna natin siya ng ating fork. Yup, ayan ang ating SANS cake. Yup. Ayan, no? Yup. O, ayan na yung ating French buttercream SANS cake. So, i-freezer muna natin siya for 1 hour and then lipat natin sa fridge ng another 1 hour and pwede na siyang kainin. Yup.